Okay, I just thought I'd give you a rundown on these Jason lever locks. This is the Jason lever lock Mk1 with the big circle here and the little circle there. This is the keeper on the wall with this little pin sticking out with the D-shaped bit that this little pin here needs to click behind. When you lift the lever handle up, this little bit here will pop out, and that's what it retracts this pin so that it will slide underneath the D, and then the little pin here pushes the little thing here and it releases this, which goes up behind the D shackle here. You notice when I lifted the lever here, this little pin wasn't retracting correctly, which means this little pin here is up, which means when it comes in here we can see that it's been hitting on the edge of the lock here. This is a common occurrence with this particular kind of lock, this make and model from Jason's. There is a solution which I can show you, but if show you here, if you push that in, this little pin is popped up now, so you try and shut the door. Why won't this darn door shut? And you give her a bit of a gadoinker and that little pin will break off. So you've got to give this a little bit of a short sharp shock to get that to click in. That's about it for this one. We can upgrade this to a Mk3, which means we have to replace this whole entire style here. It's a different configuration here and a different kind of a keeper here, so that avoids any of this kind of issue in the future. Hope that's been helpful. Thank you. Okie dokie, I just thought I'd quickly show you about the difference between the Mk1 lever lock and the Mk3 lever lock. So the old Mk1 is this one here, which has the big hole here and the screw that holds the barrel hole here and a little hole there. And this is the old Mk1 mechanism. These are the ones that are no longer available. They're extinct now because this little pin inside here breaks away. So what you have to do is take this whole entire style off, order a new one in from Jason Windows, and the new one comes pre-punched like this. So all the holes are all different. You can see they've got two big slots, but now they have everything all computer, no waste there. And the front bit here has two levers, which two angle-shaped, wedge-shaped hooks. In this particular case, these handles here are the new ones, so these are solid metal all the way through. The ones prior to this had plastic on the back here, prone to breaking, so this is the new upgraded handles. And this is the new keeper. This is a couple of hooks which simply replace the old loop style keeper. So yeah, we have to take the old style off, replace it with the new style, new lock, take the old keeper off, put the new lock on, put the new keeper on, and that's what we have to do to upgrade the Jason lever locks now. Thank you. Yeah, the doors opening and closing, latching, and key locking. Of course you don't leave the key in it. So that's key locked now. I'll leave it like that till Mia comes home. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.